Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your liked videos on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the app, please make sure that your TikTok is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or to Replace Store and update your application. So let's just head on and tap on TikTok to open it. And first thing that we are going to do is from your For You page or from your home page, let's click on the button at the bottom right corner right here so that you can go to your profile page is a heart icon. And this is basically where you can see all your liked videos on TikTok. So if you want to delete a certain liked video, just click on it from here and then click on the heart icon right here. So what that will do is that it will unlock the video and delete that video from the list of your liked videos. So if you actually want to delete your videos all at once, all of your videos will be deleted from here. As of now, there is actually no direct feature from TikTok that does that. So you would have to do that process one by one. So just go through your videos and unlike that one by one. Unfortunately, you just need to do that if you really want to delete all the liked videos you have in here. So that is how you can basically delete your liked videos on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day.